Alrighty here. Just get something pieced in here and get this put together. Everything's fixed in the valley and get rolling. Alrighty. Getting it exposed here. Definitely a lot of mistakes when they put that thing together. Yeah, nearly a 4-foot wide piece of metal for the valley that we got to recycle from a hardware store scrap pile. Alrighty, so a good sized board securing this and just fill in the remainder. We maybe get some more braces in there. We'll make a transition here, or we might even resheet that. Alrighty, got everything kind of close to corrected as we can and just working our way up with all the repairs, and this is really solid now, so good to go. Oh yeah, some nice tacos at the rail splitter. They load them babies up. Alrighty, yeah, so this whole roof sagged a bit and we're just trying to reinforce it and come up with something here that fits. Western Minnesota. It's amazing the color of these fields. The sunlight is. There's a lot of space out here. Keeping up with Rich.